look today with my hairstyling as well. So I've gone ahead to apply my foundation, contour and highlight, the same routine, guys. I know you already know that. So we're going to concentrate on the eyes. So I'm using the Saharan eyeshadow palette by Juviias. I love the Juviias eyeshadow palette. It's very pigmented. A little can go a long way. So I'm applying this orange shade all over my eyelid, and I'm concentrated more in the crease. I'll go in with a darker shade orange, and I'll concentrate also in the crease to bring definition to that area, and I'll be dragging it into the inner corners of my eyes. And we're gonna go ahead and create a cut crease shortly. And with my cut crease, I'll be using the Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars to create my cut crease, and we're gonna go ahead and finish our look shortly. I didn't want this video to be very long, yeah, so I'm applying my Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm creating the cut crease. So guys, this is how I create my cut crease. I start from the middle, and I try to, you know, create a print a little bit of on top of my hooded area, and then I'll follow the print, right? Carefully, very gently, not in a rush. You carefully create your, you know, your cut crease or your arch, right? It's like you're creating like a, you know, half of a circle or a semicircle, something like that. So gently, no rush, you know, carefully create your cut crease, and then we're gonna go ahead and set the cut crease. Always, guys, remember to set your cut crease. To me, it helps you set or prep the area for your eyeshadow look that you're going in for. So set your cut crease. Don't just go on top of the concealer with your eyeshadow. I mean, I've tried that, it doesn't come out very flawless as we always want, right? So I'm gonna set my cut crease with Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, right? But now I'm going into the very corners of my eyes with the same brush that I use, and I'll be blending it in towards my brow bone. So now I'll be using my Precision flat brush from Real Techniques. All my brushes I'm using is Real Techniques, guys, and I'm actually gonna define the cut crease. I love this brush so much. It does the job precisely. Very tiny. It helps me pick glitter and shimmer pigment little at a time. It doesn't spread product on your face. So I'm setting my cut crease with Banana shade Huda Beauty setting powder. Always, guys, remember to set your cut crease. It's very important. For me, it does bring your eyeshadow look seamlessly. It looks flawless, right? Rather than applying the eyeshadow shade directly on the concealer, right? So we're now gonna go in with a very bright green. This green has shimmer in it. I love it. It's bright. It's just very bright, right? I hope you guys can see that. So I'm applying that carefully on my cut crease. I'll be blending it in and continue to fill it in to my desired, you know, look. So what I do with my cut crease, from the very arch area, I drag it down so it looks seamless. It doesn't look too harsh, right? So yeah, try dragging it down towards, you know, the center or down the actual space of the cut crease, right, guys? So now I'm gonna go into the outer corners of my eyes with a black shade, creating a smoky effect, and as well dragging it into my brow bone, creating a cat eye look. You guys know I love my cat eye look, and as well I like to drag it like that. So I love the way it came out, creating like a smoky effect in that corner, right? So I'm just gonna blend it in and soften the overall look with the same brush that I used for the orange, just to have, you know, a seamless look. I do not want harsh lines. So I'm gonna go in my under eyes with the same shades I've already applied. I'm going in with the black, the green, and the orange, right, to bring more definition to the lower lid. So now I'm gonna go into the middle of my eyelid with this golden, beautiful golden color. I love the way it pops up in that middle, creating like a halo shade there. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I think this golden pops out the whole look. That is the shade that did it for me, guys. I love the way it came out, right? And then I'm just gonna blend that in into the corners of my eye with the black. So now I'm applying a black pencil in my waterline to bring more definition to my very small eyes, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and also do our brows. So you guys know I usually like to do my brow, you know, the last minute. I don't know why, but I just enjoy doing that. To me, it brings me more definition, and then also not to wipe away my brow whilst you applying your powders and concealing and stuff like that. So I like to do it at the last minute, so I have a very fresh looking brows, right? So I'll be using the same Radiant Creamy Concealer by Nars to define my brows. And I'm gonna go both in the arch area and then on top of my brows to clean it up. And I just don't find using the same skin tone concealer to define your brows. I feel like depending on the look, especially with this look, you want to actually bring definition to the brow, right? Just to separate the bright colors from the brow. So I go in for, or usually I go in for the brighter concealer. You know, I use the same I use for my highlights, you know, for my brows as well. I just find it much, nice looking. Yes, but you can go ahead and use the same skin tone concealer. So with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend that in, and I'll use the same brush I use for the orange, a medium shadow brush, just to blend and soften that area. And then I'll go ahead and also blend in the top of my brow with the same my clean brush that I use. And then I'm gonna go on top of it with my contour brush to, mend that part. So I like to use my certain brush to blend in and soften the very edges of my brow to give me that natural look. And as you can see, I'm brushing into it to fill in and also to soften it. So I'm gonna ahead to repeat the same look on the right eye, and now I'm gonna go in on my upper lashes and my lower lashes with mascara. Guys, always apply your mascara before you put your false lashes. To me, it helps blend your natural lashes into the false lashes. And also, some of us, our lashes are you know, very curly, so your mascara just brings them out more, you know, brings in definition, and it makes it even easier to apply your false lashes, right? So I'm gonna continue doing that, and off camera always, guys, I'll pop on my lashes, and we're gonna go ahead and finish my whole look with my hair. And yeah, so before then, I'm gonna apply my liner, and I have this beautiful highlight, you know, palette. I love this palette. I just got my hands on it, and it's got a powder, a shade. I picked the shade deep, right? So this is for our skin tone, women of color. So I picked this one. It's got this highlight powders, you know, to pop on, you know, on in your highlighted areas, and then I'll go ahead and apply the shimmer highlight. As you can see, I really hoped this was, you know, as showing on camera. It's really beautiful. It's got that soft shimmer in it, not very harsh, right? I usually don't like very harsh highlights. I don't usually do even highlights, but for this look I was just going on full on. And I'm gonna use my blush as well, and I'm applying the same highlight. So it's got a golden tone, like a gold tone, and also what is the other shade, guys? It's got also like whatever it is, guys, I can't even get it. So I'm going over my contoured areas with my mocha Mami Fenty Beauty, and yeah, to bring in more definition into my contoured areas, you know, to accentuate that areas, guys. Yeah, so I'm doing that, and I'm gonna go also with my Barry M blush, and I love this orange shade that is got a little bit of shimmer as well. I think it brings more definition to the highlights that are already, you know, applied. And I'm going in my jaw area for some reason, I don't know, with my contour brush, and also with my contour brush I'm going in on the nose, all bringing in more warmth to the look, guys. My Jigs MAC, and I'm gonna be also using my Prep and Fix spray from MAC. And now I'm gonna go into my tear dot area with a very bright gold color on the same Too Faced chocolate palette, right? And then we're gonna finish our makeup look with my lips. So I'll be using the same brow pencil, Maybline, and I will line my lips, and then I'll be using my NYX nude shade lip gloss, and then I'll go over it with as well Revolution lip gloss. I love this lip gloss, very glossy. It's got a little bit of shimmer, you know, just to bring some oomph to the lips, guys. So I went in for this look, guys. I think all the colors, everything is just popping, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna finish that, and then I'll be as well styling my hair, the finished look of my hair. I'll be leaving everything in the description box for you ladies, for my beauties. And then as well, I'll be styling my hair. I'll be leaving a video. I'll upload a video very soon to show you guys how I installed my wig. This is a very old wig, one of my units that I was actually selling, and I never had time to wear it like I'm wearing it in this video, guys. I never ever have time for myself, you know. I do stuff for customers, but for myself, oh gosh. So with this lockdown, a little bit TLC for you guys, you know, I'll be leaving a video for you to know how I installed my wig. I'm getting a lot of compliments for this wig. I never realized how, you know, this wig can be very, you know, beautiful. And I'm getting a lot of compliments, guys. So yeah, I'll be uploading a video for you ladies, for my sweet beauties, just to, you know, show you how I installed my wig. So yeah, I just saw that there was a little of harsh line on the golden and the orange there, so I'm just softening it, blending it in, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish our look with our hair, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put in some curls and I'll just style it. Please do remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bell, right guys, to be notified every time I upload a new video, so you don't have to be looking for me online. So we're gonna wrap up quickly. Thank you for watching. I hope you have really enjoyed my tutorial, and until we meet again, bye. I love you guys.